Hello, and welcome to week one of our MAT091 course. If you have navigated to the week one module and you are in the week one overview right now, and if you are watching this video, I am so happy to see you here. That means you've probably been through all of the information at our homepage in Canvas. I'm hoping you've gone through the modules for the Getting Started module and the MCC Student Resources module and the Math Help module and the More Resources module. And then hopefully you've also watched the video for our weekly routine for MAT091. I'm guessing you've watched that video because now you have navigated to the week one module and you're watching the weekly overview video. So congratulations. Thank you for following the path. What I want to do in this video right now is talk about 3 of the assignments that you're going to complete this week and give you some tips to make sure that you're successful. So the first assignment that I want to discuss is the Student Introduce Yourself discussions board that we are going to complete in week one. So if you are in the modules and you are in week one, you see there is an Introduce Yourself discussion board. In that discussion board, you'll be responding to 2 prompts. Part 1, you're going to tell us a little bit about yourself. And in your introduction, you're going to choose one photo from your camera roll to embed in your discussion post. Now, the photo does not necessarily have to be of yourself, but it could be of an image that means something to you, or it could be of something that just lets us know a little bit more about yourself. So an image that describes you or an image that you can relate to, and tell us why you chose that image. You'll want to embed your photo so we can all see the image of your photo in your discussion post instead of having to click on a separate link. Then in part 2 of the discussion board, you're going to watch a video where I share my top 5 things that you should do this semester to be successful in MAT091. I really look forward to reading your introduction posts, and I look forward to you reading each other's introduction posts so you can find that you have some common ground with the other students in the class. Okay, the second assignment I want to discuss is the class orientation quiz. So you'll see that right underneath the Introduce Yourself discussion board, there is a class orientation quiz. Make sure you've read through the syllabus before you take the class orientation quiz. This quiz is kind of like a scavenger hunt, asking you questions about the syllabus so that there's no confusion once we get rolling with the class. There's no confusion about assignment due dates or testing policies, etc. In the class orientation quiz, though, you will need to upload a photo of your photo ID. So I'm just holding up a blank index card, but you will want a photo ID. It can be your MCC student ID, it can be a driver's license, anything you want. But you will have to have an image of your photo ID and on your computer so you're able to upload it in one of the questions on the class orientation quiz. So make sure you have a photo ID available before you take that quiz. And also take an image of it and have it on your computer so you can easily upload it. Okay, the third thing I want to discuss is this online practice exam. Now, the online practice exam, it's 3 quick math questions on order of operations, and you can review the order of operations at this page right here before you take the online practice exam. So there's some videos for you to review the order of operations. But the main purpose of the online practice exam is to make sure you have your Respondus Lockdown Browser monitor installed correctly on your computer. That way, when we take the actual exams, we have 3 exams in this class and a final exam that use the Respondus Lockdown Browser and monitor. When we use that, then you'll have already worked out any troubleshooting issues that might arise during this practice exam. So after the practice exam, you should know exactly how to use Respondus Lockdown Browser and have your camera set up appropriately. Make sure you read the page called Guidelines for the practice exam before you take it, because there are images here of proper camera placement and your testing environment, what your testing environment needs to look like, and also what should not be included in your testing environment. If you have any problems at all with the Respondus Lockdown Browser, you can click here in our navigation menu where it says Thunderbird Tech Support. Tech support at MCC is open Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Fridays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if you're having any technology issues, this Thunderbird Tech Support is designed for you, the online student. When you click on this link, you can connect live and chat live with a actual person who works at MCC in our tech support studio. And they can help you with any technology issues you might be having. Like I said, they're designed to support you while you're at home working on your online assignments if you run into any technology issues. So definitely make sure you visit the virtual Thunderbird tech support if you have any questions. Okay, that's it. Thanks again for navigating to the week 1 overview and watching the video. Make sure every week you return to the modules and watch the new overview for the week. I will always have a little message in there highlighting any important tips that I want you to be aware of as you dive into the assignments for the week. Thanks again, and I look forward to having a great semester with you. I look forward to having a great semester with you, and please don't hesitate to reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.